Hello, my name is Brad from Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Crafter panel van Commerce, medium wheelbase TDI 6-speed manual, presented in that stunning Oyster silver metallic paint. This is a 2-litre diesel engine with 140 PS power output. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. Here we have your silver steel wheel trims. And moving on to the front of the vehicle, dotted along your front bumper are your colour coordinated front parking sensors, which can also be located on your rear bumper for your colour coordinated rear parking sensors, along with a rear view camera allowing for extra safety and vision when reversing or parking this vehicle. We also have some additional VW and Crafter badging dotted around in multiple areas on the exterior of this panel van. Opening up the rear barn doors on 180-degree hinges allows you to reverse up tight to any loading bays that require you to, and once opened reveals ample of load space, where there is also lighting located at the top to increase visibility in this fully ply-line van, which is complete with lashing rings which assist with securing any heavy, light or fragile loads. And here we just get another angle of the rear of the van from your passenger side sliding door. Now we get our first look at the driver's cab, a quick look at the controls for electronically controlled windows, and on entry you are met by a very spacious area where you have your multifunctional steering wheel, which we'll touch on later on the video, your dual passenger seats, along with your driver's seat, and as we pan back around the dashboard we have additional storage compartments for any smaller personal belongings, along with a couple of drink holders, and a grab handle allowing for easier access in and out of the driver's cab, along with some additional overhead storage compartments. To the left of your multifunctional steering wheel we have your volume control, and to the right we have your voice activation. Moving on to the centre console now, I'm just going to go through a few of the many features it has. We start off with the digital radio, where you're able to listen to and find all your favourite radio stations and save them onto the system whilst on the go. A quick look now at App Connect, where you can use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, which is a feature which allows you to access and use apps from your mobile device, such as Spotify and Google Maps navigation. Here we have your front and rear parking sensors, along with that rear view camera allowing for extra safety and vision when reversing or parking this vehicle in all types of surroundings. And finally, for your centre console, we get a quick look at your electronically controlled air conditioning system. Directly below is your manual gear stick, and additional storage compartment with a couple of USB seats. And once again, panning back around the dashboard, we get another look at them smaller storage compartments, perfect for storing any smaller personal belongings you may be taking with you.